Vlogmas Day 2, Santa's little elf is ready to light up your holidays, and let's get started with our advent calendar. Today's lucky house will be the one on the right, because our life should be dangerous and this house is on the edge. So let's see, I won't remove it. Let's see what we have here. The card and the treat. No, I'm losing the snow. Okay, the treat is stable. And the card, today's card will be Christmas ball photo. Really excited to just hone my photography skills a bit, so let's get started. I've got balls, I've got trees, I've got real estate. But seriously now, let's get started. I guess that this task should be done relatively quickly and easily. I want to complete 2 other tasks as well before Santa gets home, and they are 1 to make some orange slices and 2 to bake some cake. So, wish me luck and speed! Or should I? What should I do? I absolutely love the bouquet effect, and that is what I am trying to achieve here. Now focus. Also, don't forget about the rule of thirds, about the right exposure. I am having a wild time in my shadows, but since I am shooting raw, this should be fixed. It is better to have an underexposed image than having an overexposed image. But I believe that Christmas is all about these shadows. Oh, I love that. I love how the light reflects on the ball. Whoa, we have our image already. It is looking great. I will show you a big one here at the screen now. Striking! Okay, let's get moving. Orange slices it is. And then we are going to bake a cake. You're coming with me! Already at the kitchen, let's start with the oranges, clean them, cut them and put them at the oven. I am going to make a really simple cake today, not something fancy, not something hard, just a piece of cake that can help you get out of a bad position when you need to treat someone but don't have the time to invest in baking, cooking, and all these things. We are done. Now about the orange slices, they didn't give me the result that I wanted, but still we abandon nothing. We always use everything. So I am just missing some twine in order to transform them into great looking garlands. And about the cake, turned out great. Tasty, delicious, and amazing. You should give it a try as well and maybe gift some a piece of cake to someone that you love. See you tomorrow!